alaikum, dear viewers and my beloved learners. Hope you are feeling very well and fine. And today Shohag sir is before you taking a very significant dialogue, and the dialogue will be performed by my two beloved students of class 8. And the dialogue will be about your hobby, and I think it will be very much helpful for the development of your spoken skill. And so to develop yourself, keep with Shohag's Online English Tutorial Facebook page and YouTube channel. And for this reason, at first I would like to go to my students, and I would like to request Shami Akhtar to introduce herself. Shami Akhtar, introduce yourself.
Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are funny and dandy by the grace of Almighty. First of all, I would like to introduce myself before you. This is Shami Akhtar with you. I'm a student of the Asian Girls High School. I read in class 8. That's about me.
Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are funny and dandy by the grace of Almighty. First of all, I would like to introduce myself before you. This is Koli with you. I'm a student of the Asian Girls High School. I read in class 8. That's all about me. Hello Shami, how are you?
I'm fine, and what about you?
I'm not bad, but what are you doing?
Oh, I'm walking my garden.
Why do you make garden?
Very nice question. I actually make garden only to spend my leisure time, and it is my favorite hobby.
Will you tell me what is hobby?
Hobby means one's favorite occupation, but not one's main business. A man does not depend on it his living, but it is not less important than his main business.
What do you grow in your garden?
I grow many kinds of flowers that add the beauty of my garden.
Okay, but when do you work here?
When I get extra time, I take care of my garden.
Now I have understood. Thanks for your valuable information.
You are welcome.
Bye Shami.
Bye, Kuli.